Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Dubai Miracle Garden is the largest natural flower garden in the world. The Earth's ozone layer will make a full recovery in 50 years. Africa and Asia are home to nearly 90% of the world's rural population. A man who drives his father's car is not entitled to speak in a council of men who owns his own bicycle. The world's largest functioning toothpick sculpture and its creator Scott Weaver. Pakistan produces more than 70% of all footballs in the world. Morning saliva is rich in healing, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and can help treat pimples, acne, etc. In Vietnam, blood donors receive certificates which they can use to get back the same amount of blood they have donated for free if they later need a blood transfusion. In Cambodia, rats are being trained to sniff out landmines. There is a village in Japan named Fox Village and it is full of foxes that run around and play together. Drinking water before bed helps to improve skin tone. Man kills neighbor who repeatedly asked him, "When are you getting married?" Rabindranath Tagore with Albert Einstein in 1926. There are more living organisms in 1 teaspoonful of soil than there are people alive on earth. Dubai is planning to tow 2 icebergs right from Antarctica to UAE to meet water demands. In India, if a gas cylinder blasts during the cooking of food, then the gas agency is liable to pay Rs 50 lakh to the victim as compensation. According to Guinness World Record, Australia has more camels than any other country in the world. When an architect and engineer have humanity, the cost of making an 10 rupees Indian coin is 6.10 rupees. The US states of Arizona, New Mexico, Utah and Colorado meet at one spot. Technically, there are not 24 hours in a day. Great Wall of China is long enough to cover entire Indian border 1.4 times. The largest Hindu temple in the world is not in India but is in Angkor, Cambodia. Sun bears have extremely long tongues for extracting food like bugs and honey. There is going to be a full blue moon on 31 October 2021, that is Halloween, for the first time in 76 years. If any Philips employee can't find any parking spot for his car at the office, then he can work from his home that day. When you look up at the blue sky and see little white dots flying around, you are actually seeing your own white blood cells. Dad had only 6 months left. Son gave new life by donating his 65% of liver. Babies who lost their parents in the Vietnam War are airlifted back to the United States for adoption 1975. Rainbow can appear in the night and called as moon rainbows and occur when moon is brighter than usual. The schools in Indonesia have a special day when all mothers are invited to school so their kids can clean their feet to learn the lesson Paradise is under the feet of your mother. Shirley Henderson was the oldest actor portraying a student in the Fact Harry Potter series. Artists spent 2 years creating a sculpture of Nefertiti using a 3D frame and 60,000 honeybees. Scientists made a new wooden steak knife and it's 3 times sharper than stainless steel. Alcohol does not make you forget anything. When you get blackout drunk, the brain temporarily loses the ability to create memories. A Russian nurse wears only lingerie under PPE because she was too hot. There is a tree in Pakistan which was arrested by a British army officer in 1898. Tortoises orbited the moon before astronauts did. They were sent to test a Russian space probe. This is Lilika. Every day she walks 8 miles to pick up a bag of food and then takes it to a junkyard to share it with her family, a dog, a cat, some chickens and a mule. Pineapples in the 1700s were worth over $8,000 in present-day currency. Male elephants will often use their penis as a fifth leg to support their weight. 1 in 4 Americans think the sun goes around the earth. A group of flat earthers spent $20,000 trying to prove that the earth is flat, accidentally prove it's round. In 2011, Jennifer Christine Harris burned down the house of her best friend who unfriended her on Facebook. This ship from New Zealand ran away and hid in a cave just to avoid shearing. An Apollo astronaut lost his wedding ring during his trip to the moon and found it again during a spacewalk. The United Nations declared the Internet a basic human right in 2011. Approximately 40,000 Americans are injured by toilets each year. Thanks for watching.